How's it going? James, OnlineCarShow.net. Well, we've got this month's PetrolBox. Can't wait to get this bad boy open. So without hesitation, let's get this video started. Well, before we get too far in this video, just wanted to go over a couple updates with y'all. Won't take too long. One thing is the car is sitting right now in jack stands, unfortunately. We decided to take the headers off and replace the starter because I keep frying starters. So if y'all didn't catch my last video, we got the header, long tube header ceramic coated by Polydyne. They did an excellent job. We should be getting them back on the car this Sunday, I'm hoping. We'll see how it goes, and there'll be another video, of course, with that. So be sure to go ahead and hit that like and subscribe below so you don't miss any of my upcoming content. Also, just to let y'all know, I finally got around to updating the website, so OnlineCarShow.net now has a full listing of the mods on the ZR1 and video links associated. So if you haven't gone and checked out my website, OnlineCarShow.net. But that brings me up to a good topic. We're starting to sell swag finally. I know there's been a lot of requests over the years for me to get shirts and stuff like that. Well, I finally got an option going. We've got shirts like I'm wearing right now. They come in a multitude of color, hoodies, cups, stickers, all different styles of shirt. Just go check it out. I'll have the link in the description below. So, you know, go check out the store, see what there is to offer. All right, well, that finally brings me to the video at hand. What the hell is a PetrolBox? For those that don't know, a PetrolBox is a monthly subscription box that comes to your door. You enter in your shirt size, your glove size, and what size box you want. There's a multitude of box sizes. This is their premium box. And just to let y'all know, I've heard some complaints on the pricing of them. With the code OCS10, you can receive 10% off your first box. And honestly, if you give them a try, just try them for a couple months, they won't let you down. They really diversify the contents of the box around what car enthusiasts like. So they try to meet different genres, whether it be tuners, muscle cars, Euro, whatever. They try to entertain all car guys. So it's a really good box and I've really enjoyed it. So let's go ahead and open her up and see what we got. All right, well, let's see what's in this month's PetrolBox. Before I open this up, just to let y'all know real quick, there's also a contest associated with the PetrolBox. If you open this bad boy up and there's a golden ticket inside, you win a free set of Rotiform monoblock wheels for your car. This is a badass little contest and giveaway attached to each one of these boxes. Ooh, I don't see a golden ticket, but I see a lot of a Murica in here. There you go. Must be a July 4th theme box. Really cool, PetrolBox. That's awesome. I may actually keep this little thing. So each box is going to have one of these. It's a little thank you card from PetrolBox on one side, and on the back side you're going to get the contents of the box if you want to reach out to some of these companies and order more of their products. And there you can also see the contest. Find one of these, then you win one of these Rotiform monoblock wheels. So let's see what else is in the box, and I'll try to go over it as we go. Here's the PetrolBox Murica air freshener. Really cool. That is definitely going to go in the ZR1. Can't wait to put that in the car. We got a blue one in there right now, so I'll have the red, white, and blue, and a blue one. Let's see what else we got. Ooh, Hoonigan Icon H-Icon socks. Red, white, and blue, clutch, kick, lift, or never lift. So it looks like one of these socks says clutch kick and the other one says never lift for the gas pedal. That is awesome. I'm definitely wearing these July 4th. You will see, if you see me July 4th, you'll see these on my feet. And we've got the, ooh, what is this? PetrolBox Apple Pie air freshener. Really cool. Let me see if I can, I know I can't pass the scent on to you guys, but let me see if I can at least open it up enough to get a smell. Just to let y'all know, that freaking smells awesome. It smells like a really sweet inside of an apple pie, like the feeling. Wow. Oh, I wish y'all could smell that. I will definitely be using that. Let's go ahead and put the correct top on it. Next. Ooh, I'm already seeing some Do It For Dale in there. Let's go into that. Dale Senior sticker. Yep, good old number 3. I was actually watching the race that he passed away at. That will definitely be going on the toolbox, and I'll give you a shot right now of where it's going in front of all the other ones. Do It For Dale. And next we've got, what is this? Oh, and by the way, real quick, these stickers come from Snake Oil Elixir on Instagram. They're really high quality. As you can tell, they have a non-glare finish. Go check them out if you need any kind of custom stickers made or stuff like that on Instagram. That's Snake Oil Elixir. Oh, here we go. Hoonigan Kill All Tires shirt. Let's see if I can open this up for y'all. So it's a Hoonigan shirt. We've got the Hoonigan label in red, white, and blue on one side. Oh, hell yeah. And then red, white, and blue, Kill All Tires. That is the best shirt so far in the PetrolBox. That is awesome. I'll wear the shit out of that. Thank you. And let's see what else we've got in here. Ooh. PetrolBox koozie for July 4th. Hold your beer. Really cool. Or your soft drink. And we've got the candy of the month. It looks like a Candy Creek Sucker. I'm guessing that was red, white, and blue, and I just got the blue and white part, but really cool. Murica Sucker. And here's the subscriber of the month. Looks like a BMW Joe Carenia. Sorry if I'm trashing your name like I usually do. June 2020 PetrolBox subscriber of the month. And what this is if you're a subscriber to the PetrolBox, you send them a picture of your car on their website. It's shows you how to do it step by step. And then if you win, you get your car on a magnet. And I'll show you a pic here of all the magnets I have. And my Camaro actually won one of the months, which is really cool. So got a large collection of these magnets going. So we'll definitely get included with the rest. So let's see what we've got here. We've got the subscriber of the month, Joe, with his Beamer, BMW. We've got the candy of the month, a red, white, and blue sucker, I'm guessing. We've got the PetrolBox koozie for your beer or soft drink. You've got the Hoonigan Speed Socks. Can't wait to wear those. We've got the red, white, and blue air freshener from Murica. The Do It For Dale Earnhardt Senior sticker for the toolbox. Oh, can't forget this, the apple pie air freshener from PetrolBox. I can't wait to try that. It smells so freaking good, by the way. And we've got the Hoonigan Kill All Tires shirt. What an awesome month for PetrolBox. So be sure to go check them out. That's mypetrolbox.com so you can get yours ordered. Great month, PetrolBox. Well, as you can see, PetrolBox is definitely awesome and worth checking out. I try to do a product review, every time I open a PetrolBox, but this one being an air freshener, I can't really do that until, YouTube releases some kind of virtual smell or something. I don't know. So I'm just going to end it there. Thank y'all so much for watching my videos. Be sure again to hit that like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I've got a bunch of videos on the way. So thank y'all again and have a great week.